Okay, welcome back. I will resume in verse 16 of the last chapter. It would be a good idea to learn these words. Hamalach hagoel oti mikol ra, yevarech et hane'arim v'yikare bahem shmi v'shem avotai Avraham, Yitzchak veYaakov v'yidgu larov bekerev haaretz. So the angel who saves me, bless these children, and they will be called after my fathers Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Vayidgu, from the word dag. Dag means fish. Fish multiply lots, and they will fill the land. So it's almost like the blessings of Abraham, the people. Now, let's go to the ending. And Joseph is shocked. He sees that his father puts his right hand over the younger son, over Ephraim. And he gets scared, and it looks bad to him, and he tries to move his father's hand from Ephraim to Manasseh as if helping his old father. And Joseph says to his father, "No, Daddy, he is the older one. Put your hand on his head." And his father refuses, and he says, "I know, my son. He too will be a great man. And he too will grow and develop, but his younger brother is going to surpass him. Yigdal mimeno, the younger brother will be greater than he, and his seed shall become a multitude of nations." And he blesses them, and he says, "Becha yevarech Israel, yesimcha Elohim keEphraim v'chimnashe, Vayasem et Ephraim lifnei Menashe." And he blessed them on that day, saying, "By you Israel will be blessed. God make you like Ephraim on Menashe." And he put his hand, his right hand, on Ephraim before Menashe. This blessing, Yesimcha Elohim keEphraim uchimnashe, and Hamalach HaGoel that you said before, is a very famous bracha that people bless their children. Verse 20, he blesses them. 21. Vayomer Israel el Yosef, and Israel said to Israel said to Joseph. One second, let me go back there. Israel said to Joseph, "Here I'm going to die. May God be with you and bring you back to the land of your fathers. And I've given you one portion above the rest of your brothers, which I took out of the land of the Amorites with my sword and with my bow." So he gives him Shechem, which he, of course, purchased for 100 coins and 100 whatever shkalim, silvers, units, etc. Jacob dies, and now begins another story in the life of the Jewish people. Best of luck to everybody. I will have a lesson on Monday and Tuesday, and I think on Tuesday as well. I will continue with Joshua for the high school. Goodbye, everybody.